2 marijuana stocks to watch in September. September could bring in the green for these pot stocks. As with every new month, the potential for marijuana stocks is continuing to rise. Companies like Tilray Inc. and HEXO Corp have been leading the industry since they are at the top of the cannabis industry. But the largest pot stocks to watch are not always filled with potential. As intelligent investors, we always have to know the financials of the company we are looking at. Since this data is easily available online, it can be an incredibly useful tool for investors to utilize. When looking for a pot stock to watch, investors should make sure they know about 2 factors. The first is profitability. Whether or not a marijuana stock is showing a profit is a major identifier of what type of success it could see. The second factor is what type of future plans the company has in store. This can also help to determine a long-term game plan for investors. A leading MSO pot stock to watch. Green Thumb Industries Inc. is one of the most popular MSO pot stocks that investors have been watching. Because it is based in the US, the company is subject to the individual statewide laws and where it works. In the first half of 2020, Green Thumb stock reported as much as $220 million in revenue. This number already outpaced the entire revenue that Green Thumb stock posted in the 2019 fiscal year. Currently, Green Thumb stock shows that the company runs as many as 48 stores around the country. With revenue growing at a current rate of 170% per year, Green Thumb Industries looks like it has a great deal of future potential. In addition, the company has been working to put a large amount of its profits back into the company. A Canadian cannabis producer, Village Farms International Inc. is a very popular marijuana grower based out of Canada. The company began its operation as a grower of vegetables, but it quickly realized the large potential of growing cannabis to be sold in the market. Although it does grow a great deal of cannabis, Village Farms stock has also benefited greatly from its current sales of vegetables. The company a while back created a joint venture known as Pure Sun Farms to create high-quality cannabis utilizing its premium grow methods. This joint venture has been able to push gross margins as high as 44% in the past year. Village Farms stock reports that it owns as much as 60% of Pure Sun Farms, which gives it complete say in what happens. Although Village Farms stock is a pure play marijuana stock, it tends to be less volatile than other similar pot stocks to watch. But as an industry leader in producing high-yield, high-quality cannabis, Village Farms continues to illustrate to investors just why it is a marijuana stock to watch.